Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an image with AI. Okay, for today's tutorial, we're going to create an image with AI in ChatGPT. So first of all, you need to visit the chatgpt.com, and after the chatgpt.com has been opened, you can go to the Explore GPTs right here, and then you can go down until you find the DALL-E feature or the DALL-E application. We're going to use this feature to create an image with AI. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on Start Chat. Okay, and here you can describe what kind of image you want to create, and then for example, I'm just going to create a magical forest with swan princess. Okay, then click on this icon and the AI will generate an image for you. Wait guys, now the image is being generated with the AI. Okay, and this is the result. I'm going to tap on that, and you can choose the image that you like. I prefer this one, and if you want to download, we can click on this download icon and the image will be saved to our device. Alright guys, so that's all the way to create an image with AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.